2013 Dodge Challenger. HEMI 5.7 liter V8. Still got the factory converters there and there. And then it's got a factory H pipe. And then we did a muffler delete there and there earlier in the year. And a rear muffler resonator delete right there and right there. And he just brought it back. He cut the bottom valence, and we did something special on the tips. Right there and right there. Something different with 4-inch tips. They're out the side instead of the straight out the back. See if it makes a difference in sound and look. Definitely a different look. Came out really nice. I like it. Right there like that. That's the original tips that came on it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That's a decibel meter. It tells you how much decibel. That's a sound decibel. It is 116 decibels. I like it, it's different. Oh, I didn't ask him. Let you guys hear on the inside. He said he's gonna go beast mode. Let's see. And it's a 6-speed standard, so it should be fun.